Hey, welcome back. Today I have a great recipe for you, one that the whole family is going to love, especially the little ones. Now, who doesn't love a mac and cheese? Well, I have taken it to a different level. We're giving it a fancy name today. We call it pasta souffle. And here's what we're going to use. Rigatoni, about 3 cups of rigatoni, and that's what's called macaroni, just so you'll know. 2 cups of mushrooms, Gruyere cheese, some Parmigiano Reggiano, some mozzarella, some bacon, breadcrumbs, about 1.5 cup of cream, and 2 eggs. And I'm going to use fresh nutmeg. And the bacon we'll cut in 1-inch strips. Now the Parmigiano Reggiano. And since we have already crumbled our feta, we never buy crumbled feta. We buy it in big pieces and we crumble it ourselves. This is about 1.5 cup of feta and the mozzarella cheese. And mozzarella cheese goes in. And now the Gruyere. Now we're mixing them all together. Get a real nice consistency throughout. All right. We'll get the pot of water boiling for the rigatoni. Okay. And the water, as you can see, is boiling the way it should. And now we're going to put some salt in. A tablespoon of salt. And the rigatoni goes in. The rigatoni is in. Just move it around so they don't stick together and just let it do its job for about 8 minutes. Actually, just a little less than al dente. We're going to put the bacon in first, so we'll put this on medium and only about 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, not too much. Bacon releases its own fat. Let it get warm. The bacon. There we go. That's the sound you want to hear. Now, okay, and the bacon is ready, as you can see. Look at that beautiful color of bacon. There we go. There. Now we'll put it over here in a paper towel. Get some of the excess fat off it. I have removed most of the fat that was in there, just about 2 tablespoons of bacon fat oil. Now I'm going to put the mushrooms in. We don't want to put any salt or any pepper at this stage because we don't want them to release any water. We want them to be sauteed nicely. Okay, they're looking good. No problem. And the mushrooms are done, and we'll put them on the side. The rigatoni should be ready, and let's strain it. And now we're going to put it in here so we can add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That should be. Okay, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil at the bottom of this brazier. Make sure that the oil's all over. Now we put a layer of breadcrumbs evenly at the bottom. Not a lot, just enough to cover everything. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna do layers of rigatoni, or if you will, your macaroni. Now we'll put in the mushrooms. 1 layer of mushrooms. And the bacon. And we'll leave the other half for the other layer. And the cheese. All right, and now we put the other layer of rigatoni. That was good. There it goes in. The rest of the cheese goes in on top. And now I'm putting in some nutmeg. I like about a teaspoon of nutmeg. Oh, it smells so nice. And the cream goes in. And the a little bit of nutmeg on top. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is pasta souffle, macaroni and cheese at another level. So, the pasta souffle is ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. We cover it. Good luck. Okay, let's see what we've done. Look at this. Now look at this. Isn't this gorgeous?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. June, may I have your plate, please?
Smoking Chef is serving everybody.
Smoking Chef is
Not
smoking.
only did he prepare everything, but he served.
I'm working.
Smoking Chef is smoking.
Yeah,
There we
is
go.
It's definitely a 6-star restaurant. At least a 6-star.
Like
There,
this. Look at
it
this.
looks fantastic. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Very good.
Is it good?
Can
June?
you taste
This is delicious.
Is it better than mac and cheese?
Oh my God,
Or-
thank you.
Okay, well, let's try this and see what we've done. A little bite of the rigatoni with the cheeses. I love the taste of the bacon and the mushrooms. Taste of feta and Gruyere. And I can also taste the mozzarella has married everything together really nicely. And on top of that, the Parmigiano cheese. Well, of course, everybody knows what Parmigiano cheese is all about. It's absolutely fantastic. Hey guys, try it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thank you for watching.